Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on permutation. So sa video na to pag-uusapan natin yung permutation notation and at the same time magkakaroon tayo ng practice exercises. So sa previous video naaral natin that a permutation is an arrangement of all or part of a set of objects. Napag-aralan din natin that the number of permutations of n distinct objects is n factorial. Kung mapapansin nyo, hinighlight ko yung word na distinct kasi hindi natin yan na-discuss sa previous video. Now, i-discuss natin yan dito sa video na to and also some examples and at the same time yung notation ng permutation. Ito yung problem sa previous video, no? Ang sabi sa problem, in how many ways can the three students, Anna, Beth, and Ces, sit on a bench for picture taking? Now, hindi na natin ulitin yung solution yan kasi nagawa na natin. And ito yung ginawa nating tree diagram para ilista yung different permutations where we represented each student using the first letter of their names. No? So A for Anna, B for Beth, and C for Ces. And makikita natin merong 6 different permutations. No? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And napag-aralan din natin that we can use the fundamental counting principle to solve this problem. And ang expression natin ay 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. Now, if we think about it, we can write this problem as how many permutations can you make using the letters A, B, and C. So, wala nang tao na involved. Letters na lang of the alphabet. And as you can see, A, B, and C are distinct. A, B, and C are distinct. Ibig sabihin, walang magkaparehong letters, no? And since tatlong letters sila, 3 objects siya, kaya 3 factorial. Kaya siya naging 6 kasi 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. And again, nandoon yung condition na A, B, and C are distinct. Now, bakit kailangan yung word na distinct? Paano pag hindi distinct? For example na lang dad. Kung susundin natin yung formula, dapat 6 permutations din ito. No? Pero kung titignan natin, kung ililista natin, one possible permutation is ADD and the other is DDA. May naisip pa ba kayo? Wala na, no? So, tatlo lang. There are only 3 permutations. Which means na hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung formula na n factorial. Kaya nilagay yung word na distinct. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi distinct yung objects, ay hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung n factorial. So may iba siyang formula, which is aaralin natin later on. Now in this problem, there are 3 students and 3 of them are seated on a bench. In permutation, we say that 3 students are taken 3 at a time and seated on a bench. So, 3 students are taken 3 at a time. Usually, mababasa nyo yan sa mga permutation problems, 3 objects taken 3 at a time. Na bakit kailangan nandoon yung taken 3 at a time? Kasi pwede naman na hindi 3. Halimbawa, pwede nating sabihin na 2 at a time lang sila uupo. So, yun naman, 3 taken 2 at a time. In general, we refer to the permutation of all 3 objects as the permutation of 3 objects taken 3 at a time. So pag objects niya, in general yung pinag-uusapan, sinasabi natin na the permutation of 3 objects taken 3 at a time. And also, we write 3P3. So dalawang subscript, no? Yung numbers. Ibig sabihin, in general, the permutation of n objects taken n at a time is denoted by nPn, which is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 and so on, times 3 times 2 times 1. And also, sa ibang libro, instead of npn, p and then open parenthesis, n comma n, close parenthesis. So pag nakita nyo to, pareho lang siya nito. Ngayong natutunan na natin yung notation, pwede na tayong mag-solve ng problem. So for number 1, we have calculate 5p5. So 5p5 means permutation of 5 objects taken 5 at a time. This is equal to 5 factorial. And yung 5 factorial is the product of 5 and all the integers below it all the way down to 1. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Ilan yon? 5 times 4 is 20, times 3 is 60, times 2 is 120. So this is 120. There are 120 permutations of 5 objects taken 5 at a time. Next, how many ways can a family of 6 line up for a portrait? So dito, although hindi niya sinasabi na 6 members of the family is taken 6 at a time, obvious naman doon sa problem kasi sabi niya, a family of 6 line up. No? So ibig sabihin, magkakasama silang lahat. Which means that this is equal to 6p6, which is a permutation of 6 objects, persons if you will, taken 6 at a time. So this is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Pwedeng dot, pwedeng yung multiplication symbol, no? Pwede nyo yan parehong gamitin. So sa previous problem, sa number 1, alam natin na 120 na yan. So 120 times 6 is 720. Now what if we modify the problem a bit? So for example, in how many ways can the 3 students, Anna, Beth, and Cess, sit on a bench for picture taking if only 2 of them is seated at a time? So hindi pwede sila magsabay-sabay na tatlo. Dalawa lang yung sabay at a time, no? Ibig sabihin, we are looking for the permutation of 3 students taken 2 at a time. Or in symbol, we're looking for 3p2. Yan yung aaralin natin sa susunod na video. And in fact, dito na natin i-derive yung formula for permutations. Yung pinaka-general formula. So, abangan nyo yung susunod na video. Alright, so sana ay nag-enjoy kayo dito sa ating video. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Pwede nyo tignan yung link sa ibaba. No? Nandyan yung previous video, yung next video, yung playlist, and also yung link sa ating website tsaka sa Facebook page natin. Alright, I'll see you in the next tutorial.